Christmas, honestly. Hey YouTube, I wanted to come on and do a video for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and join my, I don't want to say my class, but let's just say journey. I named it the G class just because it's like we're being taught lessons all the time. We're learning, we're growing, we're experiencing, we're, you know, going through a lot of things. So, you know, the world is a class. Thought it would be fitting to call it the G class. And this is where you will, you know, learn about your growth, your glow, and your goals. Doing things from skincare to goal setting to manifesting to, you know, just growing as a human being, as an individual, as a woman or a man or whatever you associate yourself to be. Today's video actually is going to be, and it's not sponsored, but I wanted to give FabFitFun. I wanted to give that subscription a try. And I've had this box probably going on 2 weeks now, and I just wanted to like actually unbox it here on the channel with you guys. I don't know what's in here. I really don't, I swear. So it's like completely sealed, unopened. We will be opening this together. Like I said, I really do not know what's in this box. I don't know, I kind of like that element of surprise. I think when I signed on, it was like at the end of the winter box. It was at the end of the spring box, beginning. We'll find out. But stay tuned, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so it comes with a magazine. Actually, this is the spring 2020 box. So it comes with a magazine, editor's letter, you know, typical magazine. Really cute. I will look through this later. And it says share to win #FabFitFun. So share this video with the hashtag for me and tag my page. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the G class. I will link that below as well. Oh, cute. We all love these layering gold necklaces. I should put these on right now. I love these. I love it. I love these. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It looks like a lotion. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Nice. It's a full size, so it's 3.3 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh. It smells like a spa day, honestly. Oh, this is by This Works. That's the name, the brand. 24-hour skin solutions. It smells like a spa day. Oh, it's so soft. It smells really, really good. A mystery choice. This looks like it's for your hair. Alma Oil High Shine Top Coat. And this is by IGK. NYC. Seaweed extract. In shower gloss treatment to protect and enhance color and shine. If you have dull color treated frizz or dryness, and if you want sleek, soft shine, high shine hair, enhanced color dimension. So this is for in the shower for your hair. This is, I'm gonna try this. I'll try for my weave because I'll try this in here just to see if there's a difference and let you guys know what I think. But this is also, all of these products are full size. This is 4.2 fluid ounces. Let's see, Murad. So this is a popular brand, a well-known household name. This is Rapid Collagen Infusion. I'll definitely need this, you know, in our skincare. I also will be posting some skincare videos of products that I'm using, my skin journey, things that are working, not working. Yeah, this is 1 fluid ounce. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immensely restores a more youthful experience. So you can use this in the morning and at night. It should just help add to any skincare products that you're already using. It should be great. I'm really looking forward to using this. Silicone straws. Why does this make me happy? I was in Target, and I hate to love Target, I swear. But I was telling my daughter I wanted some straws that I could use, that I didn't have to keep throwing things away, just so we can all be a little bit more eco-friendly and just conscious and things like that. Oh, these are adorable. So they're nice and durable. Here are the colors here. Oh, so cute. And this is by Chicken Tonic. I love that it comes with a brush. That way you can make sure they're clean and whatnot. How cute. And what else is in here? Oh, what is this? I don't know what you would, oh, I guess if you want to travel so you can like fold your straw up and put it inside. So you would just take one of the straws and I guess fold it. That way if you have like a protein drink or something on the go, you just kind of smash it in there and it stays, and you can loop it to whatever you're using it for. How freaking cute. I love it. I'm so excited about this. So cute. Chicken Tonic. Adorable. Okay, this is by Donni. Donni, is that right? So this looks like just a cardigan or some type of sweater, which I'm so excited about. I was actually in Target once again the other day, and I was looking for a lightweight cardigan or something just for like, you know, this weather that is so iffy. Something you can throw over a cami, or if it's like cool at night. Oh, how cute. So it has like, it's like heather gray with like a little bit of ribbing. It looks like it's 3/4 cut, and it has pockets, and this is so perfect for loungewear. It's shopdonni.com. So perfect for loungewear if you want to throw over some jeans or a dress if you're out and it's just cool, or you know, just add it as like a layering piece for like a spring outfit. I cannot wait to wear this. This is so perfect, and I love the color. Can never go wrong with the gray. This is the Winky Lux Rainbow Balm Color Enhancing pH Balm. So this looks like a mini, which is okay. It's a cute package. Look at the packaging. Oh, Winky Balm. Cute little silver case. Oh. How cute. How cute. I can't tell if there's a smell, which could be why it's pH. Usually, you know, they don't want to add fragrance just to throw that off. But how adorable is that? It doesn't look like it leaves. Oh, it does. It does leave a little color. So it's color enhancing. So I guess whatever you put this under, it will enhance the color that you have. So that's cute. I love little girly cutesy things like this. Finally, in my spring 2020 FabFitFun box, there is a really nice brush. This is by Gria Beauty. It's a Luxe Chrome Detangling brush, and I actually was going to purchase something like this as well, but I didn't. Love this color. This is so fly. Love this color. Really adorable looking, nice detangling brush. I won't attempt to brush my curls just because I don't want to mess them up, but this is really, really cute. I love this. I needed something like this just for like my hair, whatever hair, whoever hair. Nice, nice, nice. I'm very happy. I'm very, very pleased with these. Can't wait to try them out, and I will definitely keep my subscription for my next box, which would be summer, and I'm not sure when they come out. I will say when I placed the order, it took about maybe 3 weeks or so to get my box, and which was fine. But you know, when you order something, like you kind of want it, like you want it now. But that was okay. You know, I love, like I said, I love, you know, surprises and like different beauty products that I probably normally wouldn't have purchased. Especially not full-size ones. So for the amount of things that you get in this box, for the price, the full size, you know, they're not sample sizes. For the full size prices that you get is well over the $50 that you pay each quarter for your box. And my first one was $40. I will try to find a coupon code somewhere, link that below as well. If you guys would like to order, let me know if you've ever tried FabFitFun, if you loved it, if you know, what you liked, didn't like. And I will keep my subscription for now and see what other fun things I get coming summer. That is all for this video. Like I said, please subscribe, comment, let me know. I've missed you guys so much. And I definitely, now that we're home more often, I will definitely be cranking out the videos. I have planned some videos for the month, so please look out for those. I miss you guys. Stay safe, be well, wear your mask, wash your hands. I know some states are like releasing, you know, restrictions or lifting restrictions. Be safe, guys. It's not over. And that's it. Love you guys. Talk to you later.